Hey there, beach enthusiasts, ready to elevate your seaside experience? Get ready to kick back and relax with our rundown of the best folding beach chairs on the market. From sturdy frames to ergonomic designs, we've scoured the sands to bring you the ultimate in beach comfort. Stick around as we unveil the top picks, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. KingCamp Low Folding Sling Beach Chairs. For those who favor a low-seating beach chair, we recommend the offering from KingCamp, featuring a mesh back. It allows for ventilation, inviting in the breeze and facilitating quick drying after a dip in the ocean. Curved and padded armrests contribute to its sling chair design, enhancing comfort. However, we did experience some slippage, prompting a desire for reclining functionality. It's worth noting that taller individuals may find it challenging to get in and out of this chair. Nevertheless, its lightweight nature and convenient storage in the accompanying bag are notable. If simplicity is your priority over added features, this remains a solid choice, yet, the absence of reclining capability was felt, particularly given the invitingly soft backrest. Nonetheless, features like breathable mesh paneling and a mesh cup holder distinguish it from similar low-profile models, ensuring a sweat-free experience while safeguarding drinks from sand infiltration. Pros: mesh seat back, padded armrests, easy to store in an included bag, its low-profile design. Cons: not best for tall users. Number 2. Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair. The Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair, $90, embodies the quintessential beach lounging experience. It's a beloved classic, and rightfully so. This chair boasts an array of enticing features, including an adjustable pillow, padded shoulder straps, a rubber carry handle, an insulated storage pouch, a cell phone holder, a cup holder, and even a folding towel bar. Simply put, it's the epitome of seaside relaxation. Remarkably lightweight, this chair is a breeze to transport, thanks to its built-in backpack straps. Even if your journey to the beach is a lengthy one, the integrated insulated pouch allows you to pack snacks, beverages, and all your beach day essentials without the need for an extra bag. Plus, the convenient phone and drink holders keep your essentials within arm's reach, safely above the sand, while you soak in the scenery. In essence, the Tommy Bahama Backpack Beach Chair stands as a timeless icon that caters to the needs of most beach enthusiasts. It's effortlessly portable, folds down flat for easy transport, and encompasses all the features one could desire in a beach chair. Pros: cup and phone holder, adjustable reclining angle, backpack straps for easy carrying, insulated beverage pouch. Cons: no footrest. Number 3. Ostrich Deluxe Portable 3-in-1 Beach Chair. For the ultimate relaxation experience, look no further than the Ostrich Deluxe Padded 3-in-1 Aluminum Beach Chair. We put this chair through its paces, spending over 2 hours testing its various reclining positions, including the ingenious face cavity, which revolutionizes lying on your stomach. With arm slots cleverly integrated into the backrest, you can comfortably recline and even reach for a book while soaking up the sun. Remarkably, despite its multitude of features and larger size, this chair weighs in at just 9.5 pounds, comparable to other lightweight models in our selection. We easily transported it from our car to our spot on the beach without any discomfort, thanks in part to the generously padded shoulder strap. Featuring a rotating cup holder tucked under the wide armrest and sturdy side pockets for essentials like your phone or sunscreen, this chair has it all. While the price tag may initially give pause, our experience confirms that the Ostrich Deluxe Padded 3-in-1 Aluminum Beach Chair is worth every penny, especially if you prefer to fully stretch out and unwind by the shore. Number 4. Rio Brands 4-Position Backpack Folding Beach Chair. The Rio Beach 4-Position Backpack Lace-Up Folding Beach Chair emerges as a strong contender, offering 4 adjustable recline positions and an array of onboard features. Engineered with a flexible suspension system, it molds to your body shape, providing optimal support for extended lounging sessions. We found it particularly conducive to napping, with the added bonus of an adjustable headrest that can be conveniently removed. Even after prolonged use, this chair maintained its comfort, unlike others that might cause discomfort over time. Notably, its lightweight construction, tipping the scales at a mere 8 pounds, enhances portability. The padded, adjustable straps ensure even weight distribution on your back while carrying, adding to the convenience. While we encountered some initial challenges in opening the chair, familiarity with its mechanisms made the process smoother with each subsequent use. Overall, we consider this design a reliable choice, especially considering its affordable price tag of under $60, considering the multitude of additional features it offers. Pros: 4-position recline, large storage pocket, padded, adjustable straps. Cons: hard to open initially. Number 5. Homevative Folding Backpack Beach Chair. Securing our top recommendation effortlessly, the Homevative Beach Chair proved both portable and luxuriously comfortable for extended lounging sessions. With a generous 19-inch seating width and a sturdy 250-pound weight capacity, it accommodates various body types with ease. Its versatile design allows you to adjust the arms for either a reclined or upright position, ensuring personalized comfort. Equipped with a safety hinge, this chair locks securely when fully open, providing peace of mind during relaxation. For those seeking maximum relaxation, the rear towel bar doubles as a support for lying completely flat. Collapsing the chair for transport is a breeze, adding to its convenience. The multitude of features further elevate its appeal, including a removable pillow with Velcro straps, 2 insulated cooler pouches, a covered phone pocket, and a mesh cup holder. We even found it easy to secure a sun hat around the chair to prevent it from being swept away by the wind. Additionally, the fabric is simple to clean with mild soap and water, ensuring lasting freshness. In summary, there's little to fault with this chair, making its higher price tag a worthwhile investment for unparalleled comfort and convenience.